In this video, I'm going to make a beat using the Soulful sample with Native Instruments Maschine Mikro Mk2. With this sample, I wanted the effect of it changing its tone or changing its pitch when I hit another pad. So I duplicated the sample onto another pad and then pitched it down within the sampler. So as I hit each pad, you can hear the samples overlapping themselves. I don't really want that. So what I want to happen is, as I hit each pad, the previous sample is cut off. And to do that, I'll have to create a thing called choke groups. So this is what we've got so far. The sample is chopped, duplicated onto another pad, and pitched. Now I've thrown some drums on top. This is what it sounds like. Now that I've got a rough idea of how I want the beat to sound, I'm now going to move from Ideas tab to the sequencer, and I'm going to lay out this beat, structure this beat, build this beat. Let's go. Basically, the sample you will hear has like a little gap, bit of a, I don't know, like a pause just before the turnaround. I'm going to play back the sample on its own so that you can hear. Now you're going to hear it again on the last chop. Okay, so it's basically this last chop here, and what we can do is we can time stretch this chop by going to mode and free, and then you want to change the percentage to about 90, so that essentially will slow down the sample. Well, it will make the chop play longer. Obviously it's in time. That makes sense. Or in tune, sorry. It's in tune. So let's go ahead and apply that, and let's now play back the sample. that's how I normally flip my samples and make them into beats. Within Maschine, I find the sample, I chop it all in ideas tab, and then I take my ideas from my ideas tab over to the sequencer and then build out the track. And that's basically the formula to how I make my beats. Thank you for watching my sample flip number 2. Stay tuned, and the only way you can do that is to subscribe and hit that like button so you're notified of my future videos. With that being said, thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.